One afternoon, a tortoise was resting under a large tree, enjoying the shade. High above, a small bird had built its nest among the branches. The tortoise looked up and noticed the nest made of broken twigs and dry grass. With a smirk, he called out to the bird, "What a shabby home you have! It looks so crude and unfinished. There's no roof to protect you from the rain or the scorching sun, and worst of all, you had to build it yourself with so much effort. Look at me, I don't have to build anything. My shell is my home, strong and secure. I carry it wherever I go." The bird listened patiently and then replied with a smile, "Yes, my nest is simple and made of twigs, but I built it with my own efforts. It may not be grand, but it is my home, and I love it." The tortoise chuckled and said, "Well, I suppose it's just like any other bird's nest, small and fragile. But it surely isn't better than my shell. I bet you wish you had a home like mine, one that is strong and always with you." The bird flapped its wings gently and said, "Your shell is indeed strong and always with you, but it only serves one purpose. It houses only you. My nest, though small, is filled with warmth. It has space for my family, and my friends often visit. It is not just a house, it is a home." The tortoise thought for a moment and realized that while his shell was protective, it was also lonely. The bird's home, though simple, was full of love and companionship. The tortoise had no reply, and the bird chirped happily as it flew back to its nest, content with what it had. Moral: better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.